Growing your trading account over time is crucial when it comes to trading success. If you're not able to increase the amount of money you are trading with, you will never ever make crazy jumps with your trading. In general, there are exactly two ways how you can grow your trading account. However, those two possibilities massively depend on the stage of your trading journey which you are currently in. Depending on whether you are in stage 1, 2 or 3, your focus should be on different aspects of your trading to ensure that you can grow your trading account the quickest way possible. If you are in stage 1 of your trading journey, you do not have a lot of trading capital yet. Your trading capital is somewhere between 0 and 100,000. It's not a lot, but it's enough that you can start trading and you can start making at least some money with your trading account. Your experience, however, considering that you do not have been trading for a long time yet, is pretty low. You need to learn a lot of things when it comes to trading, when it comes to price action, risk management and psychology, and therefore, because you do still have not a lot of experience, your profits will also not be good. It's actually quite likely that over the first couple of months or even 1 to 2 years of your trading journey, you will have negative returns overall. So let's just say the profits after trading for a couple months, a couple years are overall break even. You didn't make a lot of money and you also did not lose a lot of money. The focus, however, should rather be on not losing money. During this stage number 1, your focus should rather be on making money apart from trading so that you can then use this money and reinvest it into your trading account. However, your focus should not be purely on making money, but you should also focus on gaining the relevant skills for your trading journey, that you can properly manage risk, that you know how to properly execute trades, you do have a profitable trading strategy, you are journaling your trades, and you're simply understanding the importance of trading psychology. If you then managed to build up your trading capital and now you do have more than 100,000 euros, you're somewhere between 100 and 500,000 euros, you are entering stage 2 of your trading journey. You already gained some trading experience over the past couple of months, 1, 2, 3 years. You have already been trading and your trading experience is good. You know all the relevant stuff in order to make money. You are starting to make decent profits, considering that you also do have a large quantity of capital you're able to use for any given trade. And your profits will be roughly somewhere between 1 to 2% every single month. You can definitely consistently make about 1,000, 2,000, maybe if you're good, 3,000 euros extra every single month just with your trading. Your focus during this stage of your trading journey should more be on trading and less on making money, considering that you already have between $100,000 and $500,000 of trading capital. If you then managed to reach the $500,000 mark and your trading capital is somewhere at $500,000 and above, you're now definitely starting to see significant gains with your trading. Your experience will then already be at an expert level. There is a quite high chance that you have been trading for a decade or even longer. And considering that you do have quite a decent amount of trading capital, it's definitely possible that you will make between $5,000 and $10,000 or euros every single month just with your trading. Your focus while you are in stage 3 should not be on making money apart from trading, but should rather be on optimizing everything so that you can go ahead and make an extra 0.1, 0.2% every single month, because this will then already be immediately $1,000. From here, the sky is the limit, and it all comes down to being consistent, to being patient, and to not spending too much of the trading profits which you make every single month. Most of the people, however, are always stuck in stage 1 because they do not focus on making money apart from trading, but they rather change their trading strategy every single month, and they are simply not consistent. Having a proven trading strategy, however, is not that difficult, and you can just start by simply trading bounces of support and resistance. I have been trading like this for approximately half a decade, and it works perfectly fine, as I'm going to show you with the next two setups. Those are setups which we are eventually looking to take in the elite program, and I will give you a quick breakdown of what exactly we are looking at. Setup number one right here is on Cisco Systems, ticker symbol is CSCO, and all you need is first of all determine the overall trend of the asset. The asset, in this case Cisco Systems, is clearly moving from bottom left to top right. We are in a bullish market, and therefore I am personally only looking for longs. The second thing which I am then looking at is support and resistance levels. First of all, of course, we do have this quite nice support trend line. If you're simply connecting the previous lows, you can see that we do have this rising trend line, and Cisco Systems is currently retesting this support. The second structure level which you can immediately spot is this horizontal structure, which is roughly at this $46 level. Here previously Cisco Systems retested this level, and we saw multiple rejections way towards the upside in the past. And considering that we now have what's called a confluence of support, there is simply a high chance that we will see a bullish rejection away towards the upside. You can either play those setups with options, with some type of leveraged products, or if you already have a decent amount of capital, you can simply go ahead and purchase the regular stock. Of course, you always have to wait for bullish confirmation on the smaller time frames. You have to properly manage your risk and use a stop loss. But if this trade plays out, there is a quite high chance that just if you purchase the individual stock, you can already capitalize on a move of roughly plus 25%. Second setup is on Adobe. I also shared this one for free on TradingView, and the situation which I was looking at is pretty simple. First of all, if we go ahead and determine the overall trend, also on Adobe, we are in a massively bullish market. We're moving from bottom left to top right. Then we just have to draw our support and resistance trend lines, our support and resistance zones. You can see that we do have this rising, again, a support trend line, a rising support trend line right here, just connecting the previous significant lows. On the other side, we also do have a horizontal resistance at this $640 level. Right here, I am simply just connecting this previous high and this previous high. The third structure, which is then relevant in order to take a trading setup, is a horizontal structure exactly at this $440 level. It was previous support, then after the break towards the downside, it was turned resistance, and then Adobe managed to break back above. It was again turned support. We already had bullish confirmation on the smaller time frames. As I mentioned, I shared this one for free on TradingView when Adobe was exactly retesting this support. And if you are not in a trading position yet, also for those of you who are in the elite program and are not in a trading position yet, you can then just simply wait for a slight pullback on Adobe somewhere between $470 to $490. This is simply that you do get a better risk to reward ratio. Again, wait for bullish confirmation on the smaller time frames, and then just enter a long to capitalize on this continuation towards the upside. This is a very simple and effective trading strategy, just trading bounces away from support and resistance, which can over time average between 1 to 3% every single month. You're outperforming the average stock market return. And if you're at an expert level, meaning that you do have more than 500,000 euros of trading capital, you can already become a full-time trader just by trading support and resistance. If you want to learn all of the rules of my trading strategy, you can just go ahead and click the first link in the description, go to basictrading.net and go through the details of the elite program. You do get lifetime access and a full breakdown of my support and resistance trading strategy. If you have any questions regarding today's video, feel free to leave them in the comment section down below. I'm always more than happy to interact with you guys. In the end, trading is a lot about patience, trading is a lot about discipline, and especially when it comes to swing trading, it's always important that you keep your long-term vision.